Welcome, physics classmates, and we will be working on week 2's group work problems. Today we will be working on problem number 7. This is a sound problem, and it goes over when we have units of decibels. This problem states, in a factory that produces table saws, one table saw is rated at 65 decibels at a distance of 5 meters. We are now wanting to find what would the level of intensity be at a location that is 5 meters away from 7 identical table saws. Now, there's basically 3 things we need to think about. We need to figure out what equation will help us to find the intensity, what relationship will changing our decibels change our intensity, and what constants we will need. In this case, the relationship by changing our decibels will be a linear relationship, as assumed in one of our example problems in our physics books on page 445. Now, the page before that, on page 444, there is an equation at 6.61 that tells us how decibels relates to intensity. It also gives us an intensity constant that is basically I naught. This constant is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12. Now, if we use our equation found on page 444, it states that our intensity is equal to our intensity constant times 10 to the decibels, or beta, divided by 10. So, if we try to solve what the intensity level will be for one table saw, we will find that our intensity will be 1.0 times 10 to the negative 12 times 10 to the 6.5. And that will give us a value of 3.16228 times 10 to the 6th. Now, because this relationship is linear, we can now assume that if we times that intensity by 5, we'll get a value the same as if we multiply our decibels by actually, that if we try to solve what our new decibel amount to be by 5 more table saws, we find that relationship to be the same, as you can see in the calculations below. Hope this helps you all, and hope you have a good night.